I'm Ravisankar, Management Consultant and Advisor for Retail Solution and Technologies in Aurovo. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We represent Aurovo in India. This is a 10-year relationship. This is a 3-in-1 or a 4-in-1 kind of a product where you have a display or a mobile computer with a barcode scanner integrated with the printing system and an applicator as well. So basically, 4 tasks can be done with a single device. We basically work with products, technology products like barcode scanners, barcode printers, mobile computers, RFID, and completely for track and trace. Also for automation of supply chain, automation of movement of goods from one point to another point. And we also support it well within India, across cities, across areas, so that our customers have the uptime of those products and are able to perform their transactions and their processes in a very professional way.